Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I hope you all are doing great and having fun. I am Tripti, and we are here for our morning maths classes. Let's get started, dear children. So, if you remember, yesterday we did multiples, right? We did some multiples, like we did times tables basically, and the numbers that you see in a particular timetable, uh, those numbers are called as multiples. Okay, so most of the time we did times tables only. So today I am thinking to let's do some questions on multiples. I have started with a few, but we could do like two or three. But today let's do in this entire session, let's do only the questions. Okay, so here we go. I'll quickly share the screen. Yeah. So I hope by now you are able to see my screen. Yeah, perfect. Now, here we are about to discuss some common multiples. These are the multiples of 2. These are the multiples of 3. Common, as you know, common means same. So we will be finding the common multiples of 2 and 3. The multiples that we get both in the times table of 2 as well as 3. Okay, so here I can see 6. I can see 12. What else? I can see 18 here, 18 here. Then I can see 24, 30. Then we have 36 and 42 and so on. So these are the common multiples. Common means the same multiples. Common multiples, common means the same. Same, right? So the common multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42. Now we will see the common multiples of 4 and 5. These are the multiples of 4 and these are the multiples of 5. So I can see the common multiples as 20, 40, 60, 80. Yeah. 20, 40, 60, 80 are the common multiples. Now let's find the common multiples of 4 and 6. Children, I'm giving you some time to do this. Try it by yourself. These are the multiples, list of multiples of 4. And these are the multiples of 6. Yeah. Okay. Now, over here to find the common multiples, common means the same, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84. 84 is what we have got here. Not 80, but yeah, 84. If you will go further, you will see 84. Okay. Now, one second. Yeah. Over here it is. Right. Now we will move further. Even if you will move further, you will get more common multiples. Now let's see the common multiples of 4 and 10. These are the multiples of 4 and these are the multiples of 10. We have to identify the common multiples of 4 and 10. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. And, if you'll move further, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, like this you will get. These are all the common multiples of 4 and 10. Now, let's find the common multiples of 6 and 8. I want you to do it by yourself. Come on, children. Give it a try. Try to do it by yourself. So these are the multiples of 6 and these are the multiples of 8. Let's see some common multiples. Common, means the same. We have to find out what are the multiples that you see in both the times tables. So here I can see 24, 48, 72, 96, and so on. These are the common multiples. Okay. Now, moving on to find the multiples of 6 and 10. These are the multiples of 6 and these are the multiples of 10. And children, always remember one thing, that the numbers, the multiples of 10 always ends with 0. The multiples of 10 always end with 0. Okay? The multiples of 10 always end with 0. So here the common multiples are 30, 60, 90, and so on. 120, 150, 180, 210, like that. Okay? All these are the common multiples. Can you find out the common multiples of 4 and 6? Find out the common multiples of 4 and 6. Common multiples of 4 and 6. I hope it's done. So here the common multiples of 4 and 8 are 24. And we have 48, 72, 12, and 36. Is there any multiple that is left over that you couldn't find? Or maybe you find it like you take the wrong one. 24 is in both the times tables. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. 32 is not. It's in the table of 4, but not in the table of 6. Right? So by this way, we can see that there are 5 common multiples from the given list. 6 and 10, what are the common multiples of 6 and 10? We did this, right? 6 and 10 is what we did. Identify the common multiples of 6 and 10. Be quick. So here I can see that the common multiples are 30, 6 times 5 is 30, 10 times 3 is 30. Then we have 60, 10 times 6 is 60, 3 times 6, and 6 times 10 is 60. Then it's 90. So these are the 3 common multiples. 6 times 15 is 90, 10 times 9 is 90. Okay? Common multiples of 8 and 6 from the given list. Find out the common multiples. All right, let's do it. 24, 48, 72, 96. These are the common multiples. Okay? 4 and 3. Common multiples of 4 and 3. Common multiples of 4 and 3. Four and 3. 24. 4 times 6 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Then we have 36, 48, 60, 72. All these are the common multiples of 4 and 3. Now we will see what is LCM. The full form, first the full form of LCM is least common multiple. Least means the less, the smallest. Okay, basically the smallest or the minimum one, like maybe the smallest actually. You can use minimum. Minimum or you can use smallest. Smallest, common means the same, smallest, same, multiple. Least is the smallest, right? The smallest is least. So we'll see what is LCM, least common multiple. It's exactly similar what you were doing, just one step ahead. Like you were finding the common multiples earlier. This time you have to find the common multiples, but after that you have to see which is the least of all, which is the smallest of all. That's the only difference. Like here we have multiples of 2 and 3, right? The multiples of 2 and 3 are all like the multiples of 2. This is a list of multiples of 3. You have to identify the common multiples, the same ones. 6, 12. That's what we were doing, right? We were doing the same only. Over here, wait, it's 36, not 34. It's 36. Just a moment. Yeah. So, 1 second. Yeah. Yeah, so it's 36, 42. Now here, least, the, so first we have figured out what are the common multiples. Common multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Least means the smallest. Which is the smallest from the list? In this list, which one is the smallest? I can see that 6 is the smallest of all the common multiples. So 6 is the LCM or least common multiple of 2 and 3. You can also write LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay. Next one. These are the multiples of 4 and 5. We have already worked on this. Now we need to find the least common multiple, the smallest of all. Tell me the least common multiple. Come on. So from this list, I can see that 20 is the smallest. 20 is the smallest. So I can say that the LCM or least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Okay. The least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Yeah. Easy. It is. Next, these are the multiples of 4 and 6. Let's find out. See, common multiples are written. Find out the least common multiples. The least common multiple actually. Not multiples, multiple. The least common multiple. I hope it's done. Okay, so here the least is 12. Yeah, the least is 12. Okay, next, least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12 here. Next is 6 and 8, common multiples of 6 and 8. What are the common multiples of 6 and 8? So here we have the common multiples, list of common multiples, 24, 48, 72, 96, which is the least, the smallest. LCM, least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24 from the list. I can see 24 is the least common multiple. So LCM of 6 and 8 is 24, or 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. Next, 6 and 10, LCM of 6 and 10. Multiples are already given. You just have to find the least one. Obviously, the first that you have found from the list, that will be the least one. So here, the least one is 30. So the least common multiple of 6 and 10 is 30, or LCM of 6 and 10 is 30. Now, dear children, as you know, LCM is least common multiple, and you have practiced so many questions. I'm giving you 3 numbers. You have to find the LCM of that. Find the LCM of, 1 second. Just allow me a moment. Okay, so I am giving you 3 numbers. You have to find their LCM. So till now, we are finding out the LCM of only 2 numbers. This time, you have to find the LCM of 2, 3, and 4. Tell me the least common multiple of 2, 3, and 4. Come on. I'm giving you 2 minutes to do this, though it will not take that much time, but yeah. So here we will write the multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then we have 14, 16, 18, 20, 24. Sorry, wait, I forgot to write 22. 1 second. Yeah, 22, 24, 26. I have written a few. I'm sure I'll get at least one from here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Now 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. I have written these. Now let's find out the least common multiples first. Least, the smallest. So I can, we will find the common multiples first. The common I can see is 6 is here, but not here. 8 is here, but not here. Oh, I got one. 12, 12, 12. Right? Let's see further. 18, 15, 20, here, not here. Oh yeah, I found another one. 24, 24, 24. Can you see? So till now, I have got 2 common multiples, 12 and 24. And I have not written more, right? So I want to know the least. With this, I can it will be easy for me to figure out the least one. So I can see that the least one, the minimum, the smallest, basically, the smallest one is 12. So I can say that the LCM of 2, 3, and 4 is 12. Okay? That's the answer. Right? And yes, children, that's all for our today's class. You can try more questions from your textbook and other workbooks. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you for joining the class. That's all from my side for this class. I'll see you tomorrow again with some more questions, more concepts. By the time, please practice. And children, one more thing, we are live on YouTube, as you know. So kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates. Whatever goes on the channel, you will get update for that. You will get notification for that. So kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and stay in touch. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.